Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a 98 Camry, and this is a radiator that I replaced a little while ago. I can't remember, I think it's been a few years, but there's some coolant developing around the clamping area between the plastic and the aluminum. So I have my pressure tester hooked up, and we're going to give it a little juice and see where the leak is. And you can tell right now that it's actually the plastic that's cracked right there. Right here, it's separated right there. You can see the leaking right there. So I ordered a new radiator, and we're gonna go about installing that. So let's start. Alright, I have a catch for the coolant, and we're gonna go around. We're gonna remove the clamps for the radiator hoses, and then we're going to remove the radiator, the fans, and then disconnect anything. I've already disconnected the two fan wiring for the two electric fans, and then let's get that out of place, and then we can get to the actual removing of the fan assembly. They're held in by 10 mils, and then we can get that out of place, get this hose out of place, and then we can undo some of the other stuff. Okay, 10 mil on the power ratchet. Remove, and it should be good to go for the fans. There's one. Okay, there's one fan assembly right there. Got a little wiring on the bottom to also take care of. There we go. Snake that around. Snake that around. And then there we go. We're just going to set this out and around over here because I don't need to undo the whole thing. And then we'll do the two for this one on this side, and then we'll bring it back. Alright, all we have left is the two cooler clamps, and we'll pull those hoses off. I got the lower hose off, and we're about to take the mounting, and then now you can see that the radiator is free. I'm going to clean these up before I put them back on. But otherwise, let's get the radiator out. We'll put the new radiator in. All you have to do is take the donuts and match those up on the two sides. I did move over the sensor, and we're going to just drop it in. Line up the two donuts with those pegs, and it should just drop right into place. And then we'll get the oopsie. Oop, I think I knocked it over on this side, so let me get it done. I got the radiator in. It's pretty flush. I'm going to line it up with the holes there, but it comes with the new retaining nuts for the radiator. You just slip it right there so that when you put the fan in, it'll have something to tighten it into for the fan shroud. We'll put those in, and then we'll drop the fan in. Let's drop one of the fans in and see how we go. And we know we took it off this way. We're just going to find those two. I got all of the lines underneath. Reattach, and we just find the two holes. And there we go. And then we should just get it screwed back in like so. Put the 10 mils right back in here if we can get it to go. There we go. And then we'll do the other one. And we're getting close. And then we'll put the upper radiator hose back on and get reassembled. Now if this nut doesn't work, then for some reason, then we'll take the old ones out for the other one. But I think it should be okay. I think it doesn't want to go in though. Okay, I got the fans in place. They're tightened down, and I'm just going to make the connections here for these two sockets. They're color coded, so you can't really get it wrong, and they only go in one way, so really easy. There we go. So click, and now we're going to put the mounting on here, and then we'll put the other upper radiator hose on, which shouldn't be that much a problem. Now we're pretty much done. And then we're just going to reline up all of the passages and then tighten this down, and then I'll reroute the clips, okay? Okay, let's add some 50-50 Presto. And I mixed it myself. I got the concentrate and mixed it with distilled water. And I'm using my little Lyle radiator filler thingy and filling it up. And we'll start with a gallon, and then we'll fill it up. And then we'll pressure test it just to make sure, okay? And we'll bring it back when we're pressure testing. Okay, I got the pressure back on, and we're going to pressurize it. I have it filled, and let's see how long it stays. And check for leaks, okay? I'm going to put it at 15 pounds right there, and we're going to see where it goes. And looks like it's not moving right now, so let's take a look. That doesn't seem to be no leaks. Yep, pressure's holding good, so I think we're okay. I'll give it a little while and see what happens. Fill the reservoir up a little bit more maybe and check it out. But otherwise, hey, I took about a gallon of coolant mix, good 50, so we're good. Hopefully this one will last a little longer than the last one did. But otherwise, hey, thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and have a great day, guys. Take it easy. Bye now.